Hello, good afternoon to company your break time. I Rozak will report some information about sport for the next 10 minutes. The first news come from the President Cup 2024. The victory over Borneo FC Made Arena. The victory over Borneo FC Made Arema FC win the 2024 President Cup Championship trophy. His assessment also further expand his Arema status as the President Cup champion specialist of the sixth edition of the President Cup. The Singoedan team successful won for title. On penalty arena FC final 1-5 for victory over Borneo FC. The five kicker of the Singoedan team did their job well of the five execution of the pass shoot attempt. Team only Ronaldo Rodriguez violated the victory over Borneo FC. Left begin by Arema FC. The pursuit attempt team that tried to reply Borneo FC finally managed to equalize in the 62 minutes thanks to a goal scored by Leonardo Andrea dos Santos in the 80 minutes. Borneo FC must play with the 10 player. The pursuit attempt team lost Stefano Lillipali, who was rewarded with the red card by referee Sainz Lewitan after checking VAR. Next news. Manchester United official sick in the league and Mazzaroni after previously breaking in the two new player. Manchester United again about in the two player at Angers to increase the strike of the team that will navigate the compilation next season. Navigate the compilation next season. Manchester official announced the signing of the Madrid Delic and the Nasser Mazraoui in the 60 million euro double deal from Bayern Munchen. Delic has signed a 5-year contract at Old Trafford, where Mazraoui has been a 4-year deal, with both deal include option for further 12 months. The arrival of the league and Mazraoui will retain Erik ten Hag, with two players now worked with under Amsterdam. De Ligt was captain of the Ajax side that Ten Hag took to the Champions League semi-final in 2019. De Ligt spoke of his assessment of the joint United as soon as the heart that Manchester United wanted me. I felt excited about the opportunity for a new challenge at such a historic club. He said in the conversation of the follow is impressed by the vision set out by the football leader and the role they saw of me in it. Manuel Masroy is delighted to be working with Ten Hag. Again, Erik Ten Hag player and the important role in my development as the player, so it great to be reunited with him as the enter the period of the clear side the Mojo International. Next news. I hope the 2024 AFF Cup schedule has been postponed to early December. PSSI chairman Erick Thohir has not changed his policy to field a junior squad in the prestigious Sonher Asian event. After meeting with coach Sintayong, Erick said Indonesia would prepare the under-22 national team of the complete in the AFF Cup. The AFF Cup kick-off, which applies a home and away format, has set from November 22 to December 9, is cannot be separated from the close time span between his biennial tournament and the fourth match day of the third round, the 26th World Cup qualifying for the Asian zone, which also takes place in November. In addition, the AFF Cup is used as the naturalisation event for the under-22 national team to compete in the Asia Games next year. In addition to discussing the preparation of the AFF Cup, Group J match is here. We discussed of the prepare of the Indonesia national team in the third round of the World Cup qualifier. The first match on the September 5, the national team will travel to to fetch Saudi Arabia 10 of 10 on the September 10 the national team. His today news. I thank you, Rozak, and see you soon. Good morning, viewers. Today, trending with you, with me and Abdul Rozak. Let's end what's up. Let's end the most up. No, that's information today we will present to you. Here is the main news. Mercedes Bogor woman Dranger 100-meter will choice Carl Paul. Chief Bart chose not to report to police. Program that's all I can say, viewers must be careful was saying money and the speeding it in public. 10 meters of the site, Wulan also suffered injuries from brain rendered of the septage.
Penjamretan terjadi di wilayah Kelurahan Bantar Kemang, Kecamatan Bogor Timur, Kota Bogor, Sabtu, 10 Agustus 2002.
So, I really reflexively grabbed to back of his motorbike and grabbed him to more. The zipper of the his wallet to take his cellphone because I called him deeper to escape. Her efforts were frustrated because the perpetrator managed to escape. The perpetrator scared to be multiple to open.
24, siang berhasil terekam CCTV, korban bernama Siti Wulandari berusia 27 tahun, sempat terseret motor pelaku kurang lebih sekira 300 meter karena mencoba ingin mengambil barang yang dijamretnya. Korban merupakan warga Kampung Bantar Kemang, Kecamatan Bogor Timur, Kota Bogor. Detik-detik penjamretan yang dialami Siti pun diungkap oleh sang adik yakni Zenal Mutakin, 22 tahun, kata Zenal, kakaknya menjadi korban penjamretan saat belanja sayuran bersama sang ibu, untuk barang yang dijamretnya yakni dompet berwarna coklat. Saat kejadian, dompet itu disimpan di dashboard sepeda motornya. Awalnya izin jemput orang tua, setelah jemput beli sayur sama orang tua. Saat sedang memilih sayur, kakak saya sedang di samping motornya. Tak lama ada orang langsung ngambil dompet di dashboardnya, kata Zenal saat dijumpai Tribun News Bogor di kediamannya, Senin, 12 Agustus 2024. Siti yang melihat langsung menahan motor dengan maksud supaya pelaku terjatuh, namun, pelaku yang lebih kuat berhasil mengendalikan sepeda motornya. Korban akhirnya terseret sejauh 300 meter. Siti yang tidak kuat akhirnya melepaskan pegangnya dan akhirnya terjatuh dan mengalami luka di bagian wajah hingga kakinya. Dompet milik Siti dilempar oleh pelaku yang saat itu juga sempat dikejar oleh warga. Di dalam dompetnya itu ada uang, HP, sama identitas. Gak ada yang hilang karena dibuang juga sama pelakunya, tambahnya. Sementara itu, Kasat Reskrim Polresta Bogor Kota, Kompol Lutfi Olot Gigantara mengatakan, pihaknya sudah mendatangi TKP. Pihaknya pun sudah menggali keterangan dari korban, untuk barang-barang milik korban baik dompet dan HP sudah dalam kuasa korban atau tidak diambil pelaku. Saat ini kami masih melakukan penyelidikan untuk mengidentifikasi pelaku, kata Lutfi.
Wulan reckless action cause her to be dragged for more than 100 meters. I got my wallet and the cellphone contacts on the motorbike, said Wulan A 4 moments later. The preparator freed Bart Wulan immortally chased after him and ripped the back of the motorbike. With action were caught, my Wulan looked at my motorbike and the preparator has ready. The alleged preparator was the seen unzipping the wallet to take the cell phone, but Said Wulan when interviewed by Kompas.com Sunday 11/8 2024. I got off the motorbike just for a moment to look at the surface and packed my motorbike is in the front of the vegetable seller. We're shopping at a vegetable seller. My motor and our shopping at vegetable seller.
Awalnya izin jemput orang tua, setelah jemput beli sayur sama orang tua. Saat sedang memilih sayur, kakak saya sedang di samping motornya. Tak lama ada orang langsung ngambil dompet di dashboardnya, kata Zenal saat dijumpai Tribun News Bogor di kediamannya, Senin, 12 Agustus 2024. Siti yang melihat langsung menahan motor dengan maksud supaya pelaku terjatuh, namun, pelaku yang lebih kuat berhasil mengendalikan sepeda motornya. Korban akhirnya terseret sejauh 300 meter. Siti yang tidak kuat akhirnya melepaskan pegangnya dan akhirnya terjatuh dan mengalami luka di bagian wajah hingga kakinya. Dompet milik Siti dilempar oleh pelaku yang saat itu juga sempat dikejar oleh warga. Di dalam dompetnya.
The incident that's before Wulan Archurat what she and her motor. Wulan for time continues because 100 of the meter right wheel typing to stop the thief talks her wallet and the cell phone. It's Bogor City on the Saturday 11/8/2024 at around 12 the she was the victim of a theft of the Jalan Rambutan Raya, Bantar Kemang.
Penjamretan terjadi di wilayah Kelurahan Bantar Kemang, Kecamatan Bogor Timur, Kota Bogor, Sabtu, 10 Agustus 2000.
Let's so that they don't get unsnaked again. I am Abdul Razak. I'll take my leave. Good morning. See you. We would like to thank your name Institute Jakarta Bandung and organisasi Desainer Indonesia for organizer the seminar to even the purpose the seminar the let's the purpose the seminar the source energy technology the hot is the technique way.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang kembali di channel YouTube aku, Sally Anggraini. Dan di video kali ini kita akan bahas beberapa peralatan dan juga alat-alat yang digunakan ketika siaran radio berlangsung. So, apa aja alatnya? Simak terus informasinya hingga akhir. Dan jangan lupa subscribe dan juga like dan juga komen di video ini. Untuk yang mau bertanya juga silakan di kolom komentar ya. Dan pastinya jangan lupa juga untuk simak video aku sebelumnya terkait dengan 5 persiapan untuk jadi penyiar pemula, videonya yang ini, dan simak terus informasinya hingga akhir. Beberapa alat yang biasanya digunakan ketika siaran radio, yaitu yang pertama ada earphone. Earphone adalah alat untuk mendengarkan suara ketika kita sedang berbicara, berfungsi untuk mengontrol besar kecilnya volume suara dan juga kestabilan suara. Bisa digunakan ataupun tidak, tergantung dengan kenyamanan penyiar saat siaran. Yang kedua ada mixer. Mixer adalah alat utama dari radio. Mixer berfungsi untuk mengatur proses jalannya siaran radio. Dalam mixer terdapat banyak tuas atau tombol yang memiliki fungsi masing-masing. Ada yang berfungsi untuk menaikkan suara, menghidupkan speaker, lagu, dan juga mengontrol besar kecilnya suara. Mixer juga berfungsi untuk memberikan suara yang jelas dan jernih ke seluruh pendengar. Dan yang ketiga ada komputer. Ketika siaran radio berlangsung, biasanya penyiar menggunakan 2 komputer. Komputer pertama berfungsi sebagai alat untuk mengatur playlist lagu dan untuk memilih lagu yang akan diputarkan ketika siaran. Di mana komputer yang kedua berfungsi untuk mencari materi, mencari berita yang ingin dibahas ketika siaran. Komputer kedua ini juga digunakan untuk menerima request lagu dari pendengar. Yang ketiga yaitu mikrofon. Mikrofon digunakan untuk berbicara ketika siaran. Mikrofon berfungsi sebagai alat untuk mengirimkan suara ke para pendengar. Yang keempat ada speaker. Speaker biasanya terdapat dalam ruangan siaran radio, berfungsi sebagai alat pengeras suara di studio. Dan terakhir ada pemancar. Pemancar ini biasanya terdapat dalam ruangan teknisi pada studio radio. Pemancar ini tentunya sangat penting, yang berfungsi sebagai alat untuk mengirimkan sinyal radio sesuai frekuensi jangkauan radio. Ya, itulah tadi informasi terkait dengan beberapa peralatan yang digunakan ketika siaran radio berlangsung. Semoga informasinya bermanfaat. Untuk yang masih bingung atau masih ada yang ingin ditanyakan, bisa ditanya di kolom komentar. Dan juga untuk yang sedang belajar siaran radio ataupun yang mau jadi penyiar radio, tetap semangat. Kalian pasti bisa belajar terus. Dan pastinya jangan lupa subscribe channel aku dan juga berikan komentar positif dan like-nya. Terima kasih banyak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This and the expect your the professional network. we would like to thank your name Institut Jakarta Bandung and organisasi Desainer Indonesia for organizing the seminar, the support the event. To event the purpose, the seminar, the purpose, the seminar discuss energy technology. The hot is the this and the expect your the professional network. My way of introducing way of the introducing let's take a walk. The today is will do with it presentation from the keynote speech, followed by after that we will continue with the panel discussion. Let's not use the participation of the discussion. Sensasi to the seminar. My mother BY the introducing let's your take the loss. Thank you the all speak and the participant for your contribution and the virtual participant today to someone we have the confirm the point the seminar. Before we continue from the seminar, we would like to and the thanks your name Institut Jakarta Bandung and the organisasi your name for organisasi and everyone involved in the Angin after you have a need for future sequence or like to continue the discussion, please contact information. This international seminar is official close. Thank you in the joy and the hope you had and producing and enjoy it. I saw you in the next event. 7 tips for presenting and a great radio broadcast. Number 1. Know your audience. Understand everything about your audience, why they listen to you, when they listen, what they listen to. Build a comprehensive picture in your mind of your listener and what they are. Your goal is to create and feel the same way moment with your audience, and the more you understand them, the easier it will be. Uncle, you understand them, understand your own experience, and share it with your listener. People crave the feeling of the connection that I am going. And more, your goal is create and first same way moment with your audience, and the more you understand them, the easier it will be on your understand them, understand your own experience, and share it with your listener. Of people crave the feeling on the connection that I am going to. There's something moment can bring. Make your it too. Number 2, make your listener care. I am sure within reasonable limits and the outcome will within reasonable limit and outcome will the listeners. You can discuss anything on the radio. However, if you condemn it in the boring and the uninteresting way, no one will care. If you're talking about something, make in polling, make it's a story, bring out the post in your intro, install sometime what will grab the listener attention and engage them in conversational with you. Number 3, you're known for your own experience listening to the radio. That in can be a solitary experience. The more you're cultivate your endemic way, and the more likely you're to engage. Number 4, be the person in charge. You're as the host, you have the responsibility to control the event at the times. Keep your tone on bed without seeming pushy. Dessert dinner what the you're going never confuse them with overlong, never in word, always stuffy, confident, and try focus on the subject matter as the your speak. No one will complain if you play another song instead of speaking, and sometimes a few words can have more impact than many. Number 5. Learn the rules, then break them. My soccer coach Uncle told my team when we admitted that we were playing until the whistle. If you know your rules, then you know your break time. If held on his my whole life, knowing so thing are supports to be done is a great thing in the next life easier, and the means you can do it your way present. However, in getting boring over repeating and formula will become repetitive, and the listener will realize that you are repeating the same event over again. However, if you know how something is supposed to be done, you know how to change hearing without ruining yourself. Variety is the speech. Your very variety is the speech of life, and when you need to speech up and the event breaking away from your normal routine make be just the things master the technique way of the learning and understanding what worked for you right and the reaper the rain fun. Number 6, make the microphone your friend. Make the most of what your microphone can do, knowing how to position the microphone and how to speak into the microphone can completely change your sound. The microphone can only pick up part of your voice, so don't shout. Make sure you don't make a sound and keep a good distance image. The microphone is your friend. Your word don't get too close. Break air in the tire fetch and fresh your lips again. Tire your microphone can the will pick up very sound. Your mic with your mom. So try not to give your listener a head chance. Here's the picture of two microphones on yellow and white background. Both are silver in color. Microphone check 1, 2. Also make sure your music is not too loud. If your arms pushing in it's to your career is the too quiet music the best pushing for us the best push for short period of time in long discussion time in the long discussion it and the sound distracting and the another as for the equipment. It's good to get a good laptop for music production so that your workload is less overwhelming. 7. Number 7. Be yourself. For some people is the secret thing you can do. Yours, thank you listening. Me, I am Abdul Razak. Terima kasih. Thank you. Flavors to friend your the let's waiter. First guest will the delivered by Abdul Razak in the Water Forest case for August 2024. Here we follow the latest weather forecast news. The Meteorologi, Klimatologi, and Geofisika Agen BMKG shares information regarding weather update in Indonesia. Is currently in the dry season. Although some areas are still hit by rain. In addition, there is the combination of various weather phenomena that affect the weather on August 6, 12, 2024. Here is the information. Weather condition update in Jakarta based on official information from BMKG. Currently, the southern region of Indonesia include the island of Bali, Nusa Tenggara is experiencing the dry season with thundercloud weather has come in August because the southern region is in the dry period. However, has the potential for rain several regions of Indonesia in the next few days, especially in the northern and Central Park areas have the potential to experience that include: Number 1, Aceh, North Sumatra, West Sumatra, Riau Island, Jambi, South Sumatra, Bangka Belitung Island, Lampung, Banten, NTT, Sulawesi, Maluku, and Papua. His potential of the rain influenced by variable factors include the equatorial wave, which can incur in the possibility of rain areas of the meeting and slow wind that support the information of the convective cloud and the air lability that creates in unstable atmosphere condition. Weather potential 12 August 2024. The following are your conditions of the atmosphere dynamic in Jakarta that affect the potential weather on 12 August 2024. Equatorial Rossby wave activity progressing eastward in the monitored as active in the almost all of the island of Sumatra, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Maluku. In the next week, Alcalvin wave active is also predicted to be active throughout the island of Papua 6 to 7 August 2024. This wave supports the potential for rain cloud grow in these areas. The wind speed slow down area convergence extends from the western waters of the West Sumatra to Aceh, the North Natuna Sea, Riau to the Malacca Strait Center, Kalimantan. To the northern water, the West Kalimantan, the Makassar Strait, to the waters of the South Kalimantan, the Indian Ocean, South Nusa Tenggara, the Banda Sea of the East Coast, the Central Sulawesi, the Western waters, West Papua, on to the Seram Sea, northern waters of the Papua, and the northern waters of the northern Maluku. This combination can increase the potential for rain cloud grow along the convergence area. In the wind speed of up to 25 knots was observed in the Banda Sea and Arafura Sea, switch and the increase wave height. The areas around the sweater strong local lability that support convertive process on the local scale is found in Aceh, Riau, Wasda, Sumatera, South Sumatera, East Jawa, East Nusa Tenggara, Was Kalimantan Center, Kalimantan, Seoul, Kalimantan, East Kalimantan, North Kalimantan, North Sulawesi, Gorontalo, Center Sulawesi, Seoul, Sulawesi, North Maluku, Southwest Papua, Papua Mountain, and South Papua. Thus, the combination of the weather phenomena in the paradise of the cause significant weather potential in the period 20 August 2024 in the form of potential 1. Potential for moderate to heavily rain that can be accompanied by lake. Here's the last point. We have to be careful with the weather because sometimes the weather over change and the unpredictable can apply maintain heart and drink a lot of the weather to main body friend stay healing during activities. I am Nakiri. I am that that's on the weather news for today. I am Abdul Razak. Thank you.